Hello everyone, today we will talk about the lead code problem. Today's problem is 1291 sequential digits in which you will be provided two variable low and high, and you have to find the array of numbers in such a way that each character of the any particular number uh, should be greater than the previous one. All right. uh, Also only 1 plus 1 only greater than 1. Like you can also consider 1 2 3, right? Here as you can see 2 is greater than 1 by 1, right? Means the difference is exactly 1, right? 3 is greater than 2, exactly the difference between them is exactly 1. Okay, you can consider like 2 3 4, right? As you can see, the 3 is greater than 2 and the difference is 1. 4 is greater than 3 and the difference is 1. You cannot consider 179. It is greater, but the difference between 7 and 1 is 6, 9 and 7 is 2. So you have to avoid this. You have to consider only these type of numbers between the range of low to high inclusive. That means you can also include low if it if it qualifies the criteria, right? So let's do it. Let's find all the numbers between 100 to 300. So between 100 to 300, let's find between 100 to 200. So if you think of it, you will find only one number, trust me, that is 123. If you take any random number, let's say 189, but the difference between 8 and 1 is uh, of course 7, which is greater than 1, you cannot consider, right? You can try. You will find only one number, that is 123, which is between 100 to 200. Okay, now the numbers between 200 to 300 is, you can only find 234. Okay, in which each digit is greater than the previous one by 1, means that is difference between any two consecutive digits is 1. All right, so you have to find these such numbers and you have to make an array of these numbers and you have to return that. All right, so I have do this which with two approaches. As you can see, these numbers are in sequential manner, right? Every number is coming in sequential manner. So let me go through the first one first. Okay, here is the first approach. What you can do, you can try and just have write all the number possible with the which qualify the criteria, right? Like of all two digit, as you have already know the constraint, that is low must be 10 or greater than 10, right? And the high is of 10 to the power 9, right? So these is the list of number which is all possible values which can come, right? I have noted down all the possible numbers which can come from 10 to uh, 10 to the power 9. Okay, so what I will do then, I will then just transfer, let's say low is equals to 100, low is equals to 100 and high is equals to 300. Then what I will do, I will just traverse over this vector. If I find a number which qualifies between 100 to 100 to 300, I will just push it into the answer. As you can see, I am traversing over this. If I find it, if it is low, if it is less than the low, then I will continue. If the moment the number is greater than 300, like 345, so I will break, because the number after those will also be greater than 300. So why should I consider? So the moment I find that it is greater than high, I will break it, or else if the number is between those condition, then I will push back into my vector answer and finally I will return. This is kinda, I think, hard coding, because we have hard coded it something. Okay, you can prefer the second elegant approach, that is uh, sliding window technique, right? What I am trying to do here is that, as you can see, all the numbers are in sequential manner, and the possibility that of that number will be from this list only, right? 1 to 9, whatever the number is. As if you see the number from 100 to 300, right? Then what can be the possibility? 1 2 3. I will consider first one. It is less than 100. Okay, 1 2. It is less than 100. 1 2 3. Yes, it is greater than 100, and also less than 300. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Oh, it's greater than 300. So I will leave it. Now this one, 2 3 4. Yes, it is less than 300 and greater than 100. I will consider it. Okay, 3 4 5. No, it is greater than 300. So I will leave it. So in this way, as you can see, the possibility, what I want to say, the possibility of answer coming from this string only is 100%, right? That means whatever the number will come, it will be in this pattern from this string only. So what I am trying to do, what's the idea behind is that I will just traverse over the string, this string, until and unless my low is less than or equals to high. Okay, what I will do, I will take an integer. Okay, there will be the double loop, right? The outer loop will be like this. 100, I will start from 100, and then 100, that means first I will traverse over its size, right? Here what's the idea is that, let's say this is 1000, right? Let's consider the second test case. This is 1000 and it is 13,000. So what I will try to do, the first loop will traverse over the size. That means its size 4 and its size is 5, right? So I will consider all those numbers which have size 4. Let's say I is equals to 4, because the size of low is 4. Okay, don't think about how to find size, right? Because we can easily find by converting to the string and then length. Okay, so let's get to the main core. Okay, the size is 4, right? And size is 4. Currently I is equals to 4. So what I will do, then from this string I will consider all those values of size 4 which is less than high and greater than low. Okay, do you get my point? So when I is equals to 4, I will be starting at 4 and it can goes to 5, right? Of size 5. That's why, as its size is 5, and the possibility of answer is also like this, right? 1 2 3 4 5. This is also an answer, right? So I think so, that's why I consider it as value can be of high size. Value can be of size as much as the size of high variable, right? So that's why it is equals to h dot size. Then I plus plus, that means I will move from I is equals to 4 to I is equals to 5. Okay, when I is equals to 5 will be there, that means I will consider all those numbers which are equals to 4. Okay, then I will be start from this string and I will consider all the 4 values. Let's say 1 2 3 4. I got 1 2 3 4. Okay, then I will make it as a substring. I am taking out that substring part. I am converting it to the number and I am checking it. If it is less than high and greater than low, then I am pushing it back to my answer. If it's not, then continue to next number. That is what? That is now J will point to 2 3 4 5, right? Now I will consider again, and the constraint is like this. As you can see, I am moving from 1000 to 4 to 5, right? The size can be 4 or the size can be 5. When the size will 4 means when I will consider only the digits which have 4 size. So till at what length I can cover. So I can cover till 4, then 2 3 4 5, then 3 4 5 6, then at last the j can move from this to 6, right, leaving behind 3. These three number the j cannot point, right, because till 6 only it covers 9 till 9. Hope you are understanding what I'm trying to say, that if the j will be on 7, then there is no number, right? It will be only 7 8 9. Possibility is 7 8 9, which is of 3 digit. Okay, so you understand, right? So when I will be of I is equals to 4, that means I am considering all the digits of size 4. Then what the j will be, what the substring, or what all substring will be 1 2 3 4, 2 3 4 5, 3 4 5 6, 4 5 6 7, 5 6 7 8, okay, 6 7 8 9, right? Now if I go 7 8 9, then what? Nothing. The string is empty, so the size can be of only 3 now, right? So that's why I am stopping at 6. So how many numbers I didn't cover? 3. That means I am covering, if 4, so 9 minus 4, sorry, 9 minus 4 is equal 9 minus 4, right? 9 minus 4 5. That means I am covering 0 1 2 3 4 5, these 5 digits. All right, so that's why here it is equals to 9. Let me point all the j value. So when j is equals to 0, then what will be it? 1 2 3 4, because I is equals to 4, right? So and j is equals to 0, that means 0 to substring. The what substring takes? It takes the first one of starting point and the second thing of what's this size, right? So the I here will be what? 4. So 0 comma 4, starting from 0 take 4 digits, so 1 2 3 4. J की value 1, what will be there? Starting from 1, so 2 3 4 5, right, and taking 4 digits. Starting at 2 index, so it will be 3 4 5 6, right? Starting at 3 index, 4 5 6 7, 4 index number 4, 0 1 2 3 4. It means 5 6 7 8, and index number 5 6 7 8 9. Now I cannot move forward. So what is the 5 can be written as? The 5 can be written as the size of the length of a string s, that is 9, minus what is the value of I here? 4. That's why I have written as 9 minus I. Okay, when the size will be 100 or 300, so what can the values be left? The last possible value will be 789 of 3 digits, right? We cannot move after 7, because after 7 it will be of 2 digit, so we are leaving to 2 digit, right? So 9 minus size of this is 3, so 9 minus 3 6, so we are covering equals to 6, 0 to 6. Okay, that's what I am talking about. That was all. So this, hope you get it. This was also an easy one, and it is an elegant, and it's not like a hard code part as much as like this one. This is easy, but this is, I think, more what do you say, more elegant, right? It gives much more idea or pattern, something. So that is all.